What is up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on, because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to set a sleep timer on Spotify. So before showing you guys, I'm going to be describing you what sleep timer is. So basically what sleep timer is basically like setting a timer, and when the timer goes off, the music stops playing on Spotify. So it's basically useful, when you're playing music to sleep and you turn on a timer of like 1 hour or 2 hour and you sleep and you don't have to wake up to turn off your music. After 2 hours, the music will turn off automatically. So it's a pretty useful technique, and it's useful if you are listening to audiobook or podcast at night, because those thing has a very long duration, like 1 hour or 2 hour, and if you guys sleep in the middle, the timer will automatically turn it off. So let me show you guys how you guys can turn it on. So first, go to a song. Let me go to Panini, which is playing right now, and I can click on this three dot at the top and then scroll down until I see sleep timer over here, as you guys can see, and I can click on the sleep timer. Now I can set it to however much long I want, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30, 45, 1 hour. So these are the timer Spotify has given us, but we cannot edit it. We can only choose from these limited option, or you can click on end of track. So what end of track means is that, so let's say I click on end of track. So what this does is, so this music is of 2 minutes and 53 seconds. So after this music end, Spotify will close. So that's what end of track means. And if you choose the other timer selection, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 10 minutes, then the Spotify will close after that duration of time. And to turn it off, you can just come here and click on turn off timer, and the timer will turn off. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any questions related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We will help you fix the problem. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye bye and peace out.